Hello children, welcome to English class. So today we are going to read the lesson The Myna. Here, what are you seeing? What can you see in this picture? In first picture, you can see a bird. It is having a injury. And in second picture, you can see a boy. A boy is taking the bird in his hands. In this third picture, you can see the boy is making first aid to it. And at the last, he leave that in air. So children, this is the first, just a picture reading. Now let's read the lesson. The Myna. Meenu is a cute and active girl. She is 6 years old. She plays with her mother in the garden every evening. One day, she sees a mother parrot and her baby parrot playing on the tree. They were beautiful with their green wings and red beaks. So children, now I completed first para. From this para, I am going to read some words. I will read some hard words with the spelling and pronunciation. Meenu, M-E-E-N-U, Meenu. Active, A-C-T-I-V, active. Place, P-L-A-Y-S, place. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, baby, B-A-B-Y. Playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. Beaks, B-E-A-K-S, beaks. Now, second para children. Meenu likes them so much. She says, Mom, can I have a parrot as a pet? I like to play with it. Meenu likes them so much. She says, Mom, can I have a parrot as a pet? I like to play with it. Her parents gifts her a small parrot in a cage. Meenu feels happy. Meenu names it as Myna. She takes Myna in the cage every evening to play with it in the garden. So this is how the lesson named Myna. So Meenu's pet name is Myna. So now let's see the hard words in this para. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, cage, C-A-G-E. Myna, M-Y-N-A-H, Myna. Evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. One day, Myna falls sick. Meenu and her mother take her to doctor. Meenu looks after Myna carefully. It recovered soon, but Myna was not active as it was in the beginning. Whenever Myna was kept in the cage, it was sad. So now let's see the hard words in the para. Sick, S-I-C-K, sick. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Carefully, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Recovery, R-E-C-O-V-E-R-E-D, recovered. Active, A-C-T-I-V-E, active. Beginning, B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G, beginning. Whenever, W-H-E-N, when, E-V-E-R, ever, whenever. So now we read the first page, children. Now let's see the second page. So this is the last para, children, of this lesson. Meenu realizes her mistake. She immediately releases Maina. Maina flies away happily. Seeing Maina happy, Meenu feels happy. Mistakes, M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. Immediately, I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, immediately. Releases, R-E-L-E-A-S-E-S, releases. Happily, H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. So children, now I am going to leave this page so that you can read this again. Children, after reading, there will be some questions asked from this lesson. Okay, children? So, read it carefully. Pronounce the words clearly. Understand the lesson. Children, read it. Read the lesson. Read the words. I will be asking few questions from this. Okay, children? After you read, I will show the other page also. After that, I will read this again. Question answers I will read again and again. After that, I will leave this page again so that you can read it again for the questions, for the recap. Read, children. So now I am going to turn the page for next para. So read this one also, children. I will give a minute for you. You can see the last para, and you can also do the picture reading. In that, pictures are also there, right? So you can do the picture reading also. Okay, children, now I am going to ask few questions. Means they are down right here. So I hope you read the lesson. And again, I am going to ask these. These are true or false. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Maina was not happy in the cage. You should write true or false. Okay. Meenu felt sad when Maina flew away. You have to write true or false. Meenu's father took Maina to a doctor. You should write true or false. Maina recovered from illness in 5 days. Okay, children. So I read there are 4 true or false. You should write them. You should answer them. Think and write. Okay, I will leave this for a minute. After that, I will show that page again so that you can answer them clearly. Read again and again, children. I hope you all written these questions, children. So I am going to show the page again for you. Read them. Read it again and again for answering. Children, write neatly. Children, I think you got few answers by reading this. Read full and write the true or false. Write that bits. I'll leave it for few minutes. Okay, I will leave this page for a few minutes for better understanding. So now I am turning the page, children. So see this again. Read this para. After that, I will read them. Read the true or false again. Okay, children, I think you read the complete lesson. Now I'm going to read this true or false again. Mina was not happy in the cage. First one, Mina was not happy in the cage. Second one, Meenu felt sad when Mina flew away. Meenu felt sad when Mina flew away. Third one, Meenu's father took Mina to a doctor. Meenu's father took Mina to a doctor. Fourth one, Mina recovered from illness in 5 days. Mina recovered from illness in 5 days. Mina was not happy in the cage. Meenu felt sad when Mina flew away. Meenu's father took Mina to a doctor. Mina recovered from illness in 5 days. So now answer these children, answer them. These 4 true or false. Answer them. I think you all got it because you read the lesson, right? So I will leave this for 2 minutes. Okay, I will leave this paper for 2 minutes so that you can write and answer. Okay. Children, write, think and answer. Think and answer. Children, I hope you all written this. Okay, children, I hope you all written this. Answer them correctly. I think you answered them correctly. These 4 true or false. You can answer. I think so. You answered by reading this lesson. Okay, children, stay home. Stay safe. Bye, children.